This is where the magic happens. In reception, we use B-bots, little programmable robots. They guide across maps. They practice directions like turn left or go forward 4 steps, which allows them a more physical, hands-on approach to programming. They also use Kidlo coding, stop motion, Toontastic, and green screen, making simple animations and telling their own stories. In Form 1, they continue with B-bots and ProBots and move into Scratch Junior. Here, they start building short sequences of block coding. They also experiment with photography using iPads to capture images and create visual projects. In Form 2, things step up with Scratch, where children design interactive stories and games, and Lego WeDo, combining building and programming. Augmented reality apps like AR Maker let them layer digital objects onto the real world, for example, placing a 3D dinosaur in the classroom. In Form 3, children begin programming microbits, small computers they can code to display messages, measure movement, or even create mini-games. They use Sphero robots to navigate mazes, linking coding to problem solving. They also create their own websites with Wix.com and explore 3D printing. One highlight is building different projects in Minecraft, combining design, maths, and creativity. Finally, in Form 4, students return to Scratch with more complex projects, dive deeper into Lego WeDo robotics, and explore sound design with GarageBand, creating music or sound effects for presentations. They also use green screen to present research. What ties all of this together is that computing is never taught in isolation. It connects with literacy, maths, science, geography, and art. It's about showing children that computing is not just a subject. It's a tool they can use across the curriculum to think critically and create. So to summarize, we aim for a careful balance between technology and traditional learning. We use platforms that support literacy, maths, Portuguese, and workflow. We teach internet safety and digital citizenship from reception onward, and we deliver a rich, creative computing curriculum that equips students with the skills and confidence they need for the future. Thank you very much for joining us today.